over on a certain other network. Brief reminder today, and I'll probably say it again. It's tomorrow is the 22nd. That is the day in which my video will be copyright struck by Law and Crime. And there's nothing I can personally do about it unless they decide to stop prior to it happening, unless they decide to remove the copyright claim, today. Seems unlikely that they will. However, they can. And but tomorrow is when the strike will occur. I'm not sure exactly at what time. But if that happens, I will not be able to live stream on YouTube. I will still be streaming on Odyssey and on Rumble. So the stream will carry on. That
sounds like some damages that are coming your way, my friend. If you're not allowed to stream on your primary platform to a couple 100,000 people, and we know what your revenue stream looks like. I mean, that's some fairly substantial, demonstrable damages coming your way from this copyright strike. Not that I'm sure that you have considered that in any way, but just FYI.
Yeah, it's.
Hey, did you know that a cease and desist note can give you a basis for declaratory judgment? Did you know that?
I didn't. I didn't, but that's pretty funny.
Yeah, if someone sends someone else, because you're looking for standing, right? So if someone else sends you a cease and desist and says, if you don't do this, basically we're going to sue you. One of the things you can do is turn around and sue them for declaratory relief. It's like, well, I'm not going to wait to be sued. I'm going to sue you for declaratory relief on the basis of the cease and desist, because now I have an imminent threat against me that I can use to sue that. So Declaratory Judgment Act in you, more that you know.
There we go. We'll see what happens. I'm still hoping for a nice, easy remedy. I just think of how silly it is, because if in a logical, insane world, there are people who pay like to have me advertise their show or not their show, but their product every, episode, the sponsored streams. Law and Crime, for the low price of just shutting the fuck up, could have probably had a sponsor segment where I promote their robust live stream and personal sort of channel or their personal webpage, and directed people there for, all sorts of trial coverage, because they cover a ton of trials that I don't have time to cover. And we could have had a nice, easy, symbiotic relationship. But instead, they chose stupidity. And Kurt, you know what's great? They don't put ads on their video. So that means that the damages that they're claiming on that I have caused have to go all the way into the tens of dollars, because all they're getting is YouTube premium revenue. And the stream that they chose to copyright strike me for, that they have way more views on theirs than I do on mine. And it was a stream that outperformed their normal streams. So I'm kind of curious where their damages come from. Because it's like, wait, even if you assume that all of my viewers would have otherwise watched the Law and Crime stream, I mean, we're still talking about less than, just if that were the case, it'd be about $300 if every single viewer watched it.
Well, as hypotheticals go, if they hypothetically register their hypothetical copyright, which doesn't really exist, but they get statutory. But
any issues we need to address this morning before we get started?
Your logo leaves your opinion ambiguous.
Mm-hmm. Well, I don't want any brand confusion.
Okay.
From a possible trademark claim.
Okay, there you go.